Hey everyone, in this video we're going to learn all about the Select Shape tool together. Also, if you're into animation, make sure to like this video and subscribe to my channel. The first feature of the Select Shape tool, as the name suggests, is that it lets you select shapes. But that's not all. For example, once you've selected a shape, you can change its color from the fill section, like this. For example, I'll pick this color and hit OK. See? The fill color changed easily. Alright, now I'm selecting another shape, and this time I want to change its stroke color. Let's check it out together. As you can see, the stroke color changed to black. Now I'll select this shape and use this option to change the stroke thickness. It's that simple. As you can see, right now I can only select one shape by clicking on it. But if I want to select all the shapes in a layer, I just need to hit Select All and boom, they're all selected. But if you hold down the Shift key on your keyboard, you can select multiple shapes at once. Ah, got it. The next option is Blend. To make it clearer, I'll first overlap the shapes a bit. By selecting these shapes and choosing different blend modes, I can show you the differences. For example, in some modes, it adds the shapes together, in others it subtracts them, or it keeps their overlapping parts. Let's test it together. For example, in this mode, my shape is still there, but it's not showing up. Now I'll hit Select All, and you can see the different modes when all the shapes are selected. Now let's consider the two shapes below. If I select the top one and hit the Add mode, they'll merge like this. But let me show you something even cooler. Now I'll select my shape and move it. As you can see, it looks like they're connected, but let's do something even cooler. If I want these two to look more like a liquid or even mimic the movement of molecules, first, I'll select the top shape and increase its blend amount. And boom, now you can see how cool the change looks. I really love this liquid simulation vibe. Now, if we change the mode, this option becomes active for us. This option is Select Bottom of Liquid, which changes the priority of the shapes. Honestly, it might not be super useful for you, but let's just test it out. To change this priority, make sure you're in Add mode. As you can see, when I select the shapes, they're all separated, and you can see this in the video. But if I hit Select All or hold Shift to select a few shapes, then by hitting the Merge option, I can combine the selected shapes into a single shape. Now you've learned all the options of the Select Shape tool. I'd really appreciate it if you liked the video and subscribe to the channel.